Hello friends, today I am going to introduce your topic artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence first? Some of them may get a doubt. So I am here to clarify your doubt. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the ability of electronic devices or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by humans because they require intelligence and discernment. So, machines don't have any intelligence, but it needs human intelligence. So, with the help of human intelligence only, the artificial intelligence was produced. So, this artificial intelligence is the only ability to any robot or any electronic devices that is controlled by a computer. Those are controlled by a computer. For what? For which purpose? To do a task that are usually done by humans. The machines do a task which was doing by the humans in such a way that is called the artificial intelligence. So, for example, credit card spending patterns were there. For few years, number of frauds are going. Many ATMs or banks are going on loss. Through on which so fraud purpose, right? So this was credit card spending patterns was only used by the machines in the way called artificial intelligence. In this way, we are protecting our account by keeping passwords, pins, patterns, etc. So, in the machine, the money will be very safely and by the protection of patterns, so somewhat we keep like that. So there are how many types? There are three types of artificial intelligence, but they are in pair, narrow or weak. This is one pair. This is the first type of artificial intelligence, and the second type of artificial intelligence is general or strong, and these are also the second pair, and the third pair is artificial or super intelligence pair. These are the three types of artificial intelligence. So we know how many types and what is artificial intelligence. So yes, what is the main goal? We will have some goal to reach. Like that, in the same way, artificial intelligence also have a goal, which is main for it. So what is that goal is? It is called heuristic programming machine intelligence, which is supporting computers to enable them to perform intellectual task. Intellectual task is nothing but understanding human communication or perception or translation or whatever it may be, but to enable computers to do such intellectual task. So, the father of artificial intelligence is John M.C. Cattell. Thank you.